I've been exploring the ReciMe mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the ReciMe app. ReciMe is a recipe manager app designed to help you organize all your favorite recipes in one place. Instead of juggling cookbooks, websites, and social media posts, ReciMe lets you easily save recipes from Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, and even from physical cookbooks by scanning them. It's like having a digital recipe box that's always with you. In terms of features, ReciMe lets you import recipes directly from websites and social apps in a clean, readable format. You can also upload or type in your own recipes or even transfer from other apps like Notes or Google Docs. The app automatically creates smart grocery lists sorted by supermarket aisle or by recipe, helping you shop faster and reduce food waste. You can build weekly meal plans categorized by breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and adjust ingredient amounts to fit your desired servings. ReciMe supports both standard and metric measurements and keeps everything synced across your devices via the cloud. Plus, you can add photos to recipes, share cookbooks with friends, and search recipes by ingredients you already have. From my personal experience, I found ReciMe straightforward to set up and really handy when I started clipping recipes from social media without switching apps. The grocery lists saved me time and trips to the store since it grouped items logically. I liked how the meal planner made it easier to organize my week and helped me avoid last-minute cooking stress. The step-by-step cooking mode kept my phone awake while I cooked, which was helpful. That said, the free version limits how many recipes you can import, and I did find the shopping list a bit rigid. You can't rearrange categories or merge duplicate items, which sometimes led to extra trips for forgotten ingredients. Also, meal plans don't auto-update your shopping lists, so you have to double-check. On the downside, the app asks some questions up front that felt a bit intrusive before I even got started. You also need the premium subscription to unlock unlimited imports and private recipe storage, which might feel pricey if you just want basic features. The meal planning and shopping list features are helpful but could be more customizable. All in all, ReciMe is a solid tool for anyone looking to organize recipes from multiple sources and streamline grocery shopping. If you're active on social media or like saving recipes digitally, it's definitely worth a try. Just be mindful of its limitations unless you upgrade. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.